Hey guys, welcome to our first video. Here's the channel natin and this is actually a $100 challenge account pero as you notice it's already up 124. So yung nangyari yun is nag-deposit ako ng $100 dito kahapon 8:29. So right now it's 8:30 and meron ako napasukan na trade. So swerte lang kasi nag-take profit kagad. Kaya nag-re-enter ako ng mga position. And I'll go over everything. So this is just one of my account. Meron pa akong main account. Pero ito yung challenge account where I go over everything. Super transparent tayo dito. As far as is my strategy, explain ko talaga. And I'm planning to launch a educational platform for you guys. So first of all, I need to show you guys how to be profitable without any may maraming mga influencer trader na lang go lang pero never pa akong nakita na nag-trade sila. So that's something na very suspicious, or at least meron na ako nakita pero masunog, no? Meron na ako nakita nagcha-challenge eh. So at least sana di tayo masunog, no? Pero let's proceed with what happened our trades. If you notice, may dalawa na tayong trade na pinasukan. Pero I wanna start with the first trade na which is 1,000 bank. So ano lang yan. It's a meme coin. For those of you guys asking na why crypto? Right now crypto is very liquid, so very profitable siya. Especially na nagbo-bull market, maraming injection ng mga capital. So as far as much as possible, if you're trader, you liquidity is siguro around mid year next year papasok tayo sa trading sa forex. So dyan tayo titirahin natin yung gold mga currency pairs. So for now profitable talaga yung crypto at the moment. And I know na restricted yung baka mag-open kayo ng mga account. This is Bybit. Restricted ngayon, so yung gagawa mo is either you use your phone or mag VPN ka para makapasok ka dyan. So let's go over the trade. Ito naman yung very important. So every day I'll try to document and let you know the progress of the account as much as I can din naman every day. Pero naka-draw na ako kasi naka-record na ako pero pala yung quality ng audio. Kaya this is actually my second record. Ang nangyayari dito is this is similarly happening to all of the currency pairs, or crypto pairs. Yung nangyayari is it's consolidating a few days na. So nandyan ako tagal ko ng tayo mga siguro 3 days kaming stock dito. So when you see market sideways, it's time for you to get out and re-enter your position. If ever na pumasok ka, gagawin mo lang is you need to wait for a breakout. So ito nga, nag-breakout siya, di ba? So yung plan ko talaga is I wait for a breakout and then a retest. Tapos ayan, tayo ng profit around this area. Pero medyo mabilis eh. Tumaas na siya tapos ng mabilisan, hindi ko na kuha yung trade. Pero I noticed na after that, hindi na ako nag-FOMO. Hinintay ko what will happen next. And ayun, nag-shoot up siya. So I realized na pala to, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So this is like what market makers do. Hindi ko naman yan hinahanap eh. It just happens. So you play what you see. Kasi not all of the times nangyayari naman yan. So what happens is this is an accumulation period. Nangyayari niyan is market makers will enter their position here. Yung ginagawa nila is they want to enter at this price. around this. Kasi they're planning to either downside or upside. So in this one, naka-accumulate na sila ng position nila, no? So why is that happening in the first place? And number one, kasi masyadong malaki yung pera nila na if nag-enter sila ng trade in one go, magpupush market. Kaya parang stability sa market. So what they do is they slowly enter position here, trying to protect the levels para bounce lang siya. Diba? Para mag-bounce lang siya sa lahat ng mga. They try to keep the price here. And what they do next is they try to manipulate by trading or opening or going for a breakout in the opposite position. And then the true trade or the true direction is actually here. Yan yung nangyayari. So in my thought process, once I saw this and nag-break siya dito around this area, naganap ako ng entry around this retracement. So ako naganap lang ako na mag-retrace. And nakapasok ako natin. Oh. Ito tayo nakapasok. Break of structure, buy tayo. And then ayun, nag-take profit na yung ating trade. Mamaya tingnan natin yan. So, ito yung take profit. And stop loss ko somewhere around this level. Kasi if price ever go back to this level, na yan, nag-invalidate na yan kasi balik na siya. Pero ayan, good trade. Pwede ka mag-re-enter dito pero I found better option, which is the trade. Nakita natin ngayon. So nag-take profit na yung ounce. Diyan tayo. Ito yung entry ko, no? So let's go over that trade. So context kasi yung market was going down and I was waiting for a reversal na. So there are multiple criteria na we're trying to check where we enter a reversal. So usually yung mga traders pag nakita ng double bottom, no, pasok sila agad. Which is very risky kasi naman yan it can happen a lot of times. So you have further confirmation. So after a double bottom, for me it's just a sign pero it's not enough for me to enter a trade. And here comes the next movement, which is this one, diba? So another attempt to break the structure. And then the next one is a higher low, diba? And then nag-enter na ako sa trade once we broke strongly. So once we break, di ako nag-FOMO, di ako pumasok dito. Diba? Nagantay ako ng market to trace. So perfect ba yung entry ko? Check natin. Yeah, almost perfect, no? Almost perfect yung entry natin. Pero right now we took the profit and this is a $13 or $14, so it's a 1.5 risk reward ratio. Yung ni-risk ko is $10 and usually yung risk reward ko is 1.5 lang. Yan lang. And punta tayo sa other trade na currently open with USD. Open natin yung chart niya. So far yung mga meme coins lang yung lakas mag-move. Yung mga yung WIF tsaka yung meme coins yun . So same lang to. It's almost different. Ayan, nag-notif na yung private sa akin. So ito. Same lang. Ito hindi nag-double top, nag-lower nag-higher low, tapos nag-break of structure siya. Pero sinabayan ko lang yung overall move ng market eh. For me, it's not yet enough. So, nung nag-break lahat ng market, ito ako naghanap ako ng mga trades na nag-break. So, ito yung nakita kong nauna na maganda yung positioning niya. Although the problem is meron tayong mga resistance here. Kaya binabantayan natin. But we're gonna take a 1:5. So, around this area naman, around this level, yung take profit natin, which is a good consequence to uh, the structure. So, if we pull out kasi merong namumo, or hindi naman namumo, pero meron talagang resistance dito around this area. Pero it's bound to break kasi ano eh, medyo squeeze na yung price eh. If we go down to the 4 hours, medyo maliit pa yung movement, no? When it comes to reversal kasi it tends to in the 4 hours talagang ano yan, yung 5 minute is usually the start of the reversal kaya nasa 5 minutes tayo. Other than that, wala na ako nakita, no? Hindi naman siya yung same sa bonk na may accumulation, manipulation. Pero magandang example to. Parang gandang example to people na nag-trade and they get manipulated. Sometimes you just have to wait it out and don't say kapag saan ka talaga talo. Could have been na nahuli ko to. Maybe I would have stopped out ko. Kasi maybe di pa to yung take profit ko. Pero as you can see, pwede naman na i-take profit level natin kasi ano eh, just, support na to. So most likely, close ko na lang dito around this area. Kasi nag-expect na ako. Mga other coins kasi, nag-approaching, na rin sila approach for the higher time frame. Let's see in the check natin yung Ethereum saan siya nag-support. May dinraw na ako dito dati na wala lang pero ito yung last na level talaga support siya and you can see dito nag-bounce before nag-break up. So siguro range yan. Pero tayo ng range ng breakout ng ganyan yan. Or I mean yung support. And if we go to the lower time frame, yan yung level na inantayan ko. Which is naman na-reject. So, if ever na mag-short ka, wag na lang, antay ka na lang ng reversal. Nagaanap ng trade ito, Ethereum, pwede pa to pasukan. So, pasok lang kayo. Ayan. So far, this is it. And yung gagawin ko is babantayan ko na lang yung WIF from time to time. Actually, di ko pa na-set yung take profit ko, no? And stop loss. Pero I think we can do it right now. Click ako sa WIF. Then after that, yun lang talaga. If you guys have any questions or you na inquire kasi gagawa tayo ng Discord channel. Siya, educational purposes only. So maglalagay ako doon ng mga free signals for your trade and magsa-start ako siguro mag-educate people. But very, very first, I need to myself. So that's why I'm growing this account now. So hopefully this $100 will 10x, no? If this keeps on going. Pero I wouldn't know. Baka next trade talo tayo, balik tayo sa 100, no? Which is wala lang. Okay lang naman. Ganyan talaga. It's actually the reality of trading. You need to be very consistent and make sure na ibag kahit mag-go down ka pa, kahit nag-up yung portfolio mo, tapos the next day bumaba, it's all part of the game. So know na crypto trading or trading in general is really profitable and di makita or ma-show. Other than that,